So I've spent a few days testing the monster speaker S380, and honestly, I went into this expecting either a hidden gem or just another overhyped budget speaker. Right away, the build feels solid enough. It's got that rugged, outdoor-ready design, and the IPX6 rating means you don't have to panic if it gets splashed. Pairing it was quick, no weird setup, just Bluetooth on and go. Now the sound, this is where it gets interesting. At medium volume, it actually surprised me. The bass has decent punch for its size, and vocals stay pretty clear. But once you push it to max volume, things start to flatten out a bit. The bass loses control, and the highs can get a little sharp. Battery life? Pretty solid. I got close to a full day of casual listening without worrying about charging. So, is the S380 worth your money in 2026? If you want a loud, portable party speaker on a budget, it's a yes. But if you're chasing premium, balanced audio, you'll want to look higher up the ladder.